Here's a simple step-by-step guide showing you how to change your Google account password on your phone or computer. First, open any Google page, Gmail, Google Search, or YouTube. At the top right, tap your profile picture. Then, select Manage your Google account. You'll now see your Google account dashboard. At the top, swipe through the tabs and choose Security. If you're on a computer, you'll find the Security tab on the left side. Scroll down to the section labeled How You Sign into Google. Here you'll see Password, along with the date it was last changed. Tap it, and Google will ask you to confirm your identity before continuing. Now enter your new password. Google requires at least 8 characters, but using a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols makes it more secure. Confirm the password by typing it again, then tap Change Password. Google may show you a list of devices signed into your account. This is normal. Just confirm your choice. You can review and sign out of old devices later if needed. And that's it. Your Google account password is now updated.